Yes, once again, Empire Crypto TV, Empire Finance, and cryptocurrency be the talk of the town. Looking at the 1 hour evaluation of cryptocurrencies, things are looking quite green and happy for now in an hour. But looking at the daily one, things are quite mixed and mostly red. Just a few cryptos that are just surviving on the daily. And just want to move on to the weekly, but weekly wise things are looking pretty green as well, and the pure green. Almost every cryptocurrency is surviving during the week, and on the monthly basis it's just red. So the cryptocurrency market has not been doing well because of the market effects that has been happening in and around the globe, within the market, within the financial markets. All markets have been affected by what's been happening in the financial space, the world markets, whether it be stocks, crypto, even in the currency markets as well. But the biggest talk of the town must be XRP. That's what this video is all about. The rising of XRP being the only currency that has been seeing controversial disputes between the SEC and the Ripple Labs, of course, and it's been going on. And as you can see, this sharp uptrend that occurred last week Wednesday, and I do believe that XRP has won this battle, but there are still some few disputes that has been taking place within this context of XRP versus SEC. And there are major news that I'm about to share with you that concern the XRP's new development, which is quite exciting. And these are the new developments that I would like to share with you, which are quite good for all XRP investors. I think we might see a bull or boom market regarding this. BRICS news: XRP to be used for oil payments as India and UAE reach agreement. UAE, of course, being rich with oil, has decided or come to an agreement to accept XRP to be used for oil payments. This is quite big. This is quite significant. And India, on another hand, is one of the BRICS countries. I don't know if this is a plan for the BRICS countries to try and come up and develop a plan of integrating crypto and the BRICS, and are also developing their own currency. I do believe that this currency has to do with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency based currency. BRICS countries, okay, if anyone doesn't know, it's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These countries are coming up with a huge plan, if I should say, the BRICS union at this point. Okay, let us go to the news. And these news are very, very huge for XRP. India has completed its first crude oil transaction using local currencies. I could say that they use that local currency to buy XRPs, and with XRPs they've made a transaction to buy oil in the UAE, sorry, and bypassing the US dollar, because the US dollar has been the dominant currency used to buy oil overall in general, as part of a bilateral effort with the UAE to reduce dollar conversion costs and promote trade in native currencies. This transaction is integrated with the XRP Ledger System Crypto Trading Fund, CTF. This is quite big, enabling customers to earn CTF tokens as cashback. So there's also an incentive and a reward for using this kind of system of payment. In a milestone development, India conducted its first ever crude oil transaction using local currencies and bypassing the US dollar. This is part of the larger goal between the two nations to promote trade in native currencies while cutting down on the dollar conversion costs. The exciting thing about this trade is that it's integrated with the XRP ledger system, crypto trading fund CTF, allowing customers to earn cash back in the CTF tokens. The inclusion of this XRP ledger system CTF gives customers a novel way to benefit from global trade. As a result, customers making either online or offline payments in XRP can earn CTF tokens as rewards. They can use these token rewards to purchase products or convert them into cash, thereby effectively receiving cash back. This is good, ladies and gentlemen. I think there's power in this. Moreover, users can continue to hold the CTF tokens in anticipation of future crypto growth. So this is also not just a purchase, but also an investment of some sort. This transaction between India and UAE is much more than just an oil deal, as it sets the stage for a multi-currency world to thrive while opening up avenues for different currency usage. This could mean a more efficient system using blockchain tech while reducing the transfer cost associated with the US dollar. Their partnership is set to grow with plans to create a real-time payment connection to simplify cross-border money transfers. Additionally, Indian Rupee card holders will soon be able to use their cards in the UAE and vice versa due to an upcoming interlink between Rupee and UAE switch, which is very, very, very huge. And for the dollar, it's not gonna be looking good. First of all, XRP Labs or Ripple Labs is based in the United States in San Francisco. Yet again, you have a situation whereby the SEC is fighting against the Ripple Labs. Quite inconvenient for the US dollar at this point in time, I must say, because other countries are seeing a much more positive usage and a growth that is about to happen. Ripple versus SEC victory or another chapter in the legal battle. Some lawyers question whether the latest court decision in the Ripple case should be regarded as a victory over SEC. So the ensuing battle here still going on, while Ripple celebrates the conclusion of its 4-year legal battle with the United States. I'm sure that's why we are seeing that uptrend just when I showed you on the chart earlier on. United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Some lawyers have raised doubts about whether the recent court developments truly institute a victory. Ripple, the company behind XRP, cryptocurrency and a currency exchange network, celebrates the end of its 4-year legal battle with the SEC on 7th of August. Yes, here last week Wednesday, as you can see here on the charts, on the 7th of August, as you can see right there at the bottom, you can see there's the date there. That is when we saw this uptrend, this bull market, this boom happening after this whole battle concluded. On the 7th, cryptocurrency network celebrates the end of its 4-year legal battle with the SEC on the 7th of August, once it ended, which means XRP sort of won the battle. Announcing the news on X, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse argued that Judge Annalisa Torres gave a 94% reduction from the SEC's initial plan to fine Ripple for $2 billion in damages. This is a victory for Ripple, the industry, and the rule of law. The SEC's headwinds against the whole of the XRP community are gone, the CEO wrote. Now, this is quite huge. After this whole time, that we are seeing this battle. But at the same time, some lawyers question whether the latest court decision, the Ripple case, should be regarded as a victory. So there are some people who are still skeptic, especially the insiders of the SEC. They don't see this as a victory at some point. So there might be some ensuing battles that they might come in the coming times against the XRP. I don't know. That remains to be seen. But for now, all we know that these are the big news that we are seeing as we see the progress in the XRP or in the Ripple Labs ongoing project, which is quite big because this is huge growth, as it's seen as XRP to be used for oil payments. Oil is a huge deal in the countries like UAE, and that is why we are seeing this uptrend. But now it has been also on sideways, but I do believe that it will continue going up as the bull market ensues within the crypto market space. Empire Crypto TV, please be sure to subscribe. Please do click that like button, and do of course watch our content, and I do appreciate. Thank you very much. Until next time, I hope you find this very informative.